Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do a build on the 63 Chevy 2 Nova station wagon. If you'll recall from the unboxing I did on this, I purchased this one. It was partially assembled. So I'm going to spend some time right now, disassemble it all, and get it ready for paint and see what kind of parts I have missing, and then I'll go hunting through my parts bins and that and try to come up with something good. So thanks for joining me, and I'll be right back. Well, here we are at the end of this video, folks. We have a 1963 Chevy 2 Nova wagon, which is now a vacuum cleaner salesman's car. It says, "Trust your dust to Vic's Vacs." That's Victor's vacuum servicing all brands. This here is the curbside kit, which you've seen earlier in the video. I went with a royal blue with a like butterscotch interior. I ended up putting a, let's see if I can get it open here. Of course not. Hold on. I ended up putting the small block Chevy that came, I believe it's a V6. It came in the kit that is now known as Class Action. It was originally released as a kit called Wheeler Dealer. It was like a 78 Monte Carlo. Well, that's the original engine out of it. So there we go. Oh, a little dust on there. Yeah, we'll take care of that later. There's the rear end. Glass is real nice in this one. The bottom I didn't do anything special. Literally just painted it blue and had very minimal detail on that. I just wanted to get the kit out. I was real happy with it. I finally got it. I can't wait to put it on the shelf. So, as always, I thank you so much for your time. Thanks for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and tell all your friends about the channel. And have yourselves a good one. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.